Ngadon mentah hang ni apa ke campus jong ke IAM Shillong ka ba kadon kata ke jing ya kenduk lang jong ki rio kan thai be ki Longkmie ki ba naka leng saudong jong ka ri ka jongi ki badeshi benta jong ka tu ka ke initiative ka bagi called Women on Wheels lani kata ka wow initiative jong ka amazing namaste ka badi ka kenhun ka balum lang ki Longkmie naki benta ba pair ki batre hi chai kama pair ba kinya wan lang ha ka jo ka rinsan ba kinya mo ki bam ju mlien ba kinya kali kinya ya hi kin yit ya ladi ba kin wan chani ka than ka jongi ban yo i la ki jongi khmat yi ka jing itnat jong ni ka than chate la mi ka jongi ban yo ekren ye ki pai pa ban tip kham nya ya ka culture jong ka ni ka jaka ka jongi ba ka wei ru ka de ka jing thmu la ni ka ta ka jing angnut jong ka ni ka program ni ka jing angnut jong ka ni ka initiative ka bari pras ngi lenter ka de ka ban pinslur hi ki Longkmie jong ka ri ka jongi ba kin shim ya ka ta ka rai ba kin mi shakmat nani ba kin pin pra ya kita ki jing sngo tho bakla ki ba ka kin thek ka ba jing sngo tho bakla ki ba longkum ka e ka ba ocean naw le ka thek kam la ban ne hendre ki don ki bentai ba pair ki ba ka kin thai ru kala banya shimenta ti kat bangi nang ya chkmat ngi yo ban kren ba kini ki Longkmie ki bina ko kan ka thai kum jur ngi se yo kren nang ba ya i chairperson jong women commission i kong yamon si ba tai kham ne halor kini ka benta te yai ne ban ni Kublai palok mentang ngadon hang ni bat i captain Yashika kindia chapang jong i gelong ba ini i Longkmie iba don ya kata ka jingke kle i balong baslur bat kindia ru chapang jong i ba ide i kagal war veteran mo ibra ya kuni to katma jong usnam khat khandai spa khandai ba ya hakato ko por ya kuni to katma bo bi yang armet san riu benai ha ko poi dong don klung ha po te kadi ke ka ba I mean see mi ki para Longkmie om ta ke jela ke jungi hindrai baro saudong kari bat ke berthei berkoi tinge don ni banyak keren bat I halor ke ni expedition ke bi khot ka wow expedition ke bade ka initiative jong ki kenthei ki Longkmie jong ka jela jong ka ri bakinya mi shaprang ban peni nani bandon ni kata ka ban mi berthei Bandoni kata ka jingkit kle. Ma'am, I just wanted to ask you, first of all, welcome to Shillong, and we're very, very happy to meet you and honored to, be speaking to you is also. Ma'am, can you just tell us a little bit about this WOW initiative?
Okay, thank you so much for having me on your show. And through you, I thank the people of Meghalaya. Beautiful people of this beautiful land, my salute to each one of you. This WOW initiative is a wonderful initiative started by Amazing Namaste Foundation. Amazing, and then the word Namaste. So NAMASTE, they all stand for one state of Northeast, where N stands for Nagaland, A stands for Arunachal, M stands for Meghalaya. Like this, Namaste Foundation by itself tells that this is a drive so that people come to know how amazing Northeast is. And as we all know and we feel that women are the heart of a family. When the heart comes to a land, when heart of a family, that is a woman, comes to a land, for example, now here is the Northeast, they bring with them the power of their family. So today the women come here, they find it safe, they find it beautiful, they find it adventurous. And when they go back home, they tell their friends and family how beautiful it is to come to this land of Northeast. Over a period of time, for many, many years, Northeast was like a mystery. The states across Brahmaputra were not so well traveled. A lot of stereotype exists. But when we have a window where all women car rally, only women, when they come to this land, a strange land to them, and they start exploring it on their own, they fall in love with it. This is a place that is worth coming back again and again and again. And the women that have come out after 7 to 8 days, there is marked change. And so there are friends for life. and there is a confidence for life. So it's a win-win throughout.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Kembali layo sngo ni Captain Yashika ya kanika jing tmu la ni kanika ka jing ang not jong ka amazing namaste ka long ba ka way bakin yarap ya ki Longkmie ki jong kan thai ki jong bakin yit ya la de ani bakin yo ya kata ka jing sngo scam kin don ka jing sngo scam ka jing shlur bakin mi sha khmat mo but ka way ru ka de ba lingba kanika namaste amazing namaste ki plela nanti ya ki contain ki way ki jalab kin wan jaga thain la mi ngi ka thain ka ba bon na plane ki kimpat julet manoro mo ka de ka ba snotna na mar ka wan ka pen I sha ka per thai ka pen I sha ka way ka ri ya ka jinglong jingman ka jing spa jong ka thain ka jongi te sa shi sing kwa ban I could play ya captain yashka ya kanika por ka jong I ba kanika senjam ka wila shim nagbanta ki kan thai ki Longkmie ki jongi. So thank you so much, ma'am, for
Thank you
that,
so much.
for this wonderful initiative.
And thank you for this beautiful welcome.
Sister, can you tell us a little bit about this initiative and how IIM is connected with this initiative?
This is an initiative under Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat Dekho Apna Desh themes that the government of India has been speaking about, primarily to promote domestic tourism. And more importantly for Northeast, it is understanding this region, which unfortunately even today is lesser known to people outside the region. So this particular initiative by Amazing Namaste Foundation is to help people understand the region, and for the people of Northeast is basically to realize that they have everything in them. It's just that they need to express themselves. So it works both ways. And through such initiatives, we are basically trying to build relationships. We are here to create bonds that will last beyond this particular 8-day travel. So it is not just a travel, it is actually understanding and learning more about Northeast.
So the core, the intention or the objective is to portray Northeast,
Yes.
to explore the unexplored territories of the
Yes,
Northeast.
yes.
Okay. Is this in line with
we are working on three, I would say, tracks: awareness, integration, and empowerment.
I think it's a very nice initiative because at the end of the day, it is going to make sense if we say unity and diversity. The
Yes.
entire nation.
Yes.
We are so diverse, yet we're so unified.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir, for that
Thank you.
wonderful
Thank
interview.
you.
Angun ki Longkmie ki badai na ki wei pat ki jala jong keri ki beshe mentah kini ke jeng nyak kali. But nganya keren bat ki halor kata ke jeng shem ke jeng ki ha kini ke lentiyat ke ba ki layat leng ba ki jala ba per jong kata shilam ingi. Ma'am, so can you first introduce yourself and tell us from where you are?
I'm Leena from Pune, Maharashtra.
Okay, and
I'm Nilangini from Pune.
so I just wanted to know when you first applied or registered for this particular initiative and expedition, what were you thinking and what were you looking forward to?
So all women drive, and that too in the mountains, high up. First of all, I've never been to the Northeast before this. So also I wanted to come to I wanted to visit the Northeast. I wanted to. It's so far from our place. So that thing was there. I want to go there. So earlier, long time back, we were just planning to make a road trip from Pune till here, a month road trip, all the way. Try to see all the 7 sisters and the 8th brother. But that didn't happen. So when I just got to know about this, it was like I just jumped at it. I said I want to do it. It might be scary to drive on these mountains, especially some places I knew would be a little tricky. But then I thought that I have to take that. I mean, I have to take that leap.
I mean, it is very interesting because clearly you're breaking stereotypes, you know. Nobody would have thought, like, a woman that already settled in life and already have kids, would want to go out and explore on her own. There's something very interesting and new, which can also encourage other women to take forward, no? So, ma'am, I just want to ask you this question also. When you floated this idea to your family members, what were the reactions?
So I have a family of all independent people, and they stay all in different cities. So I actually keep doing road trips. Like, I like to travel in India, and so it was nothing new for my family for sure. Like, they were very encouraging, and basically, like, last couple of years I couldn't do couldn't do any of the travel due to my health issues. So I just wanted to start something, and starting with a group was something that was, like, very easy for me and safe also, because to gain my confidence back.
Ma'am, if I can just get a word from you, if when I say woman, what comes to your mind?
Strong.
Can do anything.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ngadan hang ni bag kunhun jong ki Longkmie kata ki bawan na ki jela ba per jong ka ri ga jongi bagi badeshi benta jong tu ka jingnya nya kalimo ke ba saudong jong ka than stay lami ko mangitip ka notice but nginya kren hang ni bangi yo e ka jing tep khendiat halor ka jingnya shem ka jong ki ha ka jingnya ya lanti ka jong ki but ni kwa ban kaliru ka e ka ba ki yo lum na ka jingwan ka jong ki shakani ka than ka jongi. So first of all, thank you very much and welcome to Meghalaya. And we really hope that you had a good time. So I wanted to ask a question. When you first started this journey and now after finishing the entire thing, how was the feeling before and after?
I was little worried about the driving and the people, but when I came here, entire Northeast people, they are so friendly and they are so soft spoken and warm that we thoroughly enjoyed it. The ride, the drive, it was beautiful, and we enjoyed it.
थैंक यू और मैडम आपके लिए ना आप तो सिक्किम से है ना तो क्या आप यहाँ में पहली बार आया शिलोंग में या
शिलोंग में पहली बार आई हूँ।
तो आपका जर्नी कैसा हुआ था?
मेरा सेकंड टाइम है इस जर्नी में, तो हमको बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है। इधर का जो सब कुछ सीनरी सब कुछ मुझे अच्छा लगा। तो हम ऐसा ही गांव हमारा भी है, आप इधर का सेम जगह है, इसीलिए हमको सिक्किम में है या मैं यहाँ हूँ एक ही जैसा लग रहा है। मैं सिक्किम में हूँ जैसा ही लग रहा है।
एक क्लाइमेट सिमिलर है।
हाँ, सेम है, उधर इधर और उधर भी सेम है, इसीलिए मैं सिक्किम का ही महसूस कर रही हूँ।
Thank you. We know that this initiative is to help women break stereotype, to help women find themselves. How was your journey all along?
I think that really has worked wonderfully for us. We've all come from different places, from different backgrounds. And we've heard so many stories connected with each other, and we kind of realize how different all our life journeys are, even though all of us are women. And the beauty of being able to get together without any barriers and just celebrating who we are, I think was really the greatest part of this journey. Of course, along with experiencing, Northeast, which I always wanted to do. So it's been an absolutely fantastic journey.
So if there's one thing you take from this journey or one lesson that you've learned so far, what is it?
Expect the unexpected. That's what I would say. the best thing happens when you go with an open mindset and when you embrace whatever come along your way, that's when you will enjoy life most. I think I've bonded very, very well with all the wonderful, wonderful ladies whom I probably wouldn't have had the chance to meet otherwise in life. But now I think this friendships is going to continue for a lifetime. And to say something about the Northeast, it's just blessed with nature and blessed with the beautiful humility of people. So I was very happy to be here.
So now, what would you take back from this journey? Like she mentioned, when you first met as strangers, but later bonded as friends, and you're going to stay friends for life. So other than that, what can you take back from this journey?
When I came, there was a lot of apprehension about certain things, whether I would be able to manage the terrain, whether how the cars would be, etc. But there's a lot of trust that I go back with, trust in the universe for bigger things. How it looked after us at every point. There were challenges, but we overcame them very well. So I think the trust in the universe has just gone up, and I totally enjoyed being with nature.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I just want to ask. If I say woman, what comes to your mind? One word.
Strength.
Superwoman, no Superman. Just Superwoman.
I think the universe. She embodies the entire universe.
She's the protector, the nurturer, and everything. So that's more than one word. Sorry.
Kuma pirayo sngo ye ki Longkmie tasngi ka ka bakila penpau hakini ka por ka long ba hakini ka jingya nanti ka jengki nado baki sedang hado bakut kumno kala kumno ka jingyo ka jengki kala kumno ki sandur la ni ki ya ka than ka jongi ya ki brio hakini ka than ya ka pro kombam ka kom ya ka jinglong juga mariang ba la penpau ru ya ka jinglong kerpang jong ka kentay mo ka balong ka nong yada ka balong ka nong ri ka nong sumar bakum joru ka bala bende iki lada ka pelet jimut halau kita baro. Once again, thank you so much, ma'am. If you can kindly tell us your name and where you're from.
I'm Dipali Gupta. I'm from Noida.
I'm from Sikkim.
And
My name is Chiringdoma Sherpa.
I'm Sheetal from Bangalore.
My name is Deepika. I've come from Dubai.
Rashmi from Pune.
thank you so much, ma'am, once again, and we wish you all the best and safe journey back home.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Northeast. Thank you.
Ngadon menta but ikong yamon sim ibede chairwoman jong ka Women's Commission ha kani ka jala ka jongi imbe batay kindiat halor kani ka sin jam mo kani ka jingi kendu ka bangi dan meta sngi ba kilong kami ki re pa ki jala te mam pila batay kindiat ka ka jing thu ban pelong ka ni ka jing lang meta sngi but ka rule jong ka Women Commission hang ni ha to ka day ban pinchleri ki kin thai gi jongi ba kin mi shakmat.
Okay, Jingshisha kani ka movement dai Women on Wheels ka sedang na po states 1982 kan kala asang la aslam ha but kidi ki pen shlori ki rio kan thai long ban kin long shlor but kin shimi kita ki jakai baki ki menchua kim ju yo mo ka sedang na kata ka enta ban ong ba ki rio kan thai ki ban don kata ka bor halor la dia but ka jing kwa ki jing ang not ki jong ki mo but ndai tang kata ka ban ong mano ban prai kita ki jing so tho ba kene de ka kam jong shin rang ne kam kan thai ba ki kan thai kim de ban ya kali nong ki don ki banyak baik yo ki banyak kali ndai te ka dei tang ban shuong ba ki riu kan thai ki la ban le kum ki rang ba ro tamba teng ki jing ship tieng but kum no ba ka prthai ka pet ya ki mo te ka sedang na kata ka movement but ka poi shu shene ka ni de ka fourth season for India
Ni su tho ro ma ka akum ka je kren jongi ba kini ki Longkmie ne ki ong ba kani ri ka kawai na ki lat ka ba number 1 ka yarap iki ko pi ong me ban prai ka ta ka jingmut ka ba ki don men shwa ba kan thai kam la ban le ka ta ri ka wei mo ka ba ar ka de ka lat ba ki yo ban ban khmi ban jingo e kani ka thain ka jongi ka ba itanat mo ti lingba kum kini ki ja movement lan ki ja initiatives kan ki ba don ka ba ikintin I mean see me jong pi na ka banta ki kin thai ki jongi ka jala ka jongi ba it's okay to nothing is impossible de kila ban le ke
di bong kumbak si ong em Long da ka buram ki rang ba bro khoi mo. But the only thing about rang ba la ban le de bon kha khon mo. Henry ki kan thai bleu la thao. Ya ki kan thai bat shin rang bangin ngin ai ban namanta ka jing em kan long ngidon ka purpose la jong but ngidon ke ban ai kat ngidang don ne perthei hakano ko ban tan ne ti ka wei ban pensurori ki kan thei ban sngo ba kidon ki sap kidon ke bu bleu la bo ki dreams mo ki jing po sneu dan ki jing ang not mo bangi la te but ngiu la am dei bong ban shim ya ka jaka jong rang ba ndrei ban yar ya kata ka jaka ya la die ti ka wei ru ba ki ne ki kan thei ki awan but nga nget ba I hope na nangi ru ngin la ban le kam tan dei ban pen weng no ya kata ka bong ka jing year la ne ka jing shep tieng ya ki brio ki bangim tep ya ka culture ki bangim sok tho dei te ka ne ba ki wan ki shlur ka mo ki wan kim tep yang ngin le kom no ne ngin nong ki ba shon ya ki ne kom no henry ki don kata ka jing don kata ka jing ngai te para brio that there's still hope but ka trust mo haki para brio ba ki don ki brio ki ba bha te mangiru ngi de bandon kam ta ong no ba tieng ba de jongi ne bandon kata ka man siem ba bleu la bo hi te ki brio boni ki brio kham ba ba ne ki jing sneu ngi pen kamen ngi pen roi ya ke ba sneu ne te lada ngi so tho e culture jong ki wei le se ni la ban note te ban tur shakhaman ban itho ba de ki
Kas kakai kalong kai bas mo tanak kamu pi ong mam ba don kami ngi bangin penyar ke jeng bocor pakat ke jengi bangin pe yaki bre om kum kinong shun hindrai bangin la kum no bangin ya connect but kalong ru ka kawai ni kilat ka ba kum ka rihi baro kawai mo indon kata ka jeng long kawai ka jeng su tho ba ka jeng borom maklia te smo tanak ikni jeng kran jong pi mam kublai shubon e ikni ka por jong pi